Good afternoon, everyone. Nice to meet you. I'm David and the group leader. Before we start, let me introduce the participants to you. On my left side, I have Sean, and on my right side, I have Keith and Caroline. We are going to discuss one of the problems which the Department of Education has. Please look at this picture. This picture shows you exactly what our topic is all about. Our topic is that the Department of Education remains behind compared to other departments. As you know, buildings are quite small and there is not enough places for students in the Department of Education. When you try to solve any kind of problem, it's really important to recognize the causes of that problem. In this case, what are the causes of this problem? Sean, can you tell us what you think?
We need to find out why these kinds of problems happen. The first thing what I want to mention is about money. The Department of Education does not have enough money to solve the problem. It's a critical matter because it's the easiest one but the most difficult one for teachers to solve. If you look at this chart, we can understand why there's not enough money for teachers. This one on your left side, this one is first salary for doctors, and this one is for lawyers, even higher. And this is for white-collar workers, and the last one is for teachers. And the amount of pay is 28 million, and for lawyers 29 million, and white-collar workers 24 million, and for teachers 12 million, one per year. It's that, but the thing is true, and there's more. The president of this university was a professor of business college. Therefore, he's trying to operate this university according to his academic beliefs. The comparison of facilities will be a good example for his business mind. He wants to seek the possibility for investing. With the name of globalization, the whole university has treated it as a big company.
Thank you for your opinion, Sean. Like you said, lack of support and concern can be the causes of this problem. But if this problem remains unsolved, what is going to happen? Keith, can you tell us what you think?
I believe the prospects of Department of Education will not be bright because of lack of funds. Not enough financial support will cause a serious problem in the whole education. If students couldn't learn good teaching methods during university studies and they become teachers, their students will not be well educated either. These problems we cannot see now, but we can see it after a long time. And when these problems are shown, it is too late to control this situation. And also, it will cause lowering the quality of students of our department. Smart students will not apply for our department any longer if there is no investment or possibilities.
Thank you, Keith. Caroline, what do you think about this problem?
Well, in my opinion, the difference in quality of colleges between the Department of Education and other departments will be widened. Although all of students are members of this university, you can say this is inequality of treatment and it could be a serious problem. As we know well, education is very important for our future, for our nation. The circumstance, the environment and situation are not good. Yes.
Thank you, Caroline. So far, we identified the problem and the causes and possible future effects. To prevent those possible future effects happen, what can we do? This time, let's talk about how to solve this problem. Caroline, what is your solution to this problem?
Yes, there are many solutions to solve this problem. At first, I think enough money for better facilities like good building and convenience rooms and study rooms and cafeteria could be a good solution. If this solution is realized, students may be able to get good education in a satisfactory circumstance. Actually, providing the best education can make or cultivate the best teacher.
That's an ideal solution for the problem, and I really agree with you. But the problem is, it takes a little bit too long time to get the satisfactory result. To tell you the truth, this is the result of remodeling about 4 years ago. I mean, where we are at now. So, I just want to suggest establishing more scholarship. The scholarship is an effective way of motivating students to study hard, and it's quite realistic. And if the scholarship becomes easy to get, the students will have many additional chances to develop themselves.
More scholarships are very good solution. However, I think finance support is just a support, so it doesn't lead our English better. So how about giving more chance to go abroad to many students? I have already heard that business department has that kind of policy. We, especially English education students, really need some experiences in using English. Actually, our school curriculums are not enough to study English deep, and we don't know about practical English like grammar or idioms either. I asked to my seniors that how about going to abroad, and I got some answers that it was very helpful. So I think going to abroad will improve our English ability.
Well, your suggestion is not good. Actually, it is great. However, it is only related to the Department of English Education, not all students of Education Department. For example, if I am a student of Korean Language Education Department, I would not like your suggestion. I might think that it is going abroad for linguistic studies, or and is none of my business. So I would rather like to get more scholarship. Yes, this is my opinion.
Thank you for your solutions. Our participants have suggested a couple of solutions, and each solution has strong and weak points. It is difficult for us to select one solution as the best solution. However, to solve this problem, there is one thing that needs to be done first. It is really necessary to invest more money to realize solutions that we just discussed. There is a proverb like this: the roots of education are bitter, but the fruit is sweet. This emphasizes the importance of education. As the roots, our will to figure out the problem is one of the most important things that we need to do. Thank you for listening and concentrating on our discussion. Thank you.